Hello everyone, so today we will be talking about periods. I know this is a topic that I should have discussed before, but I'm starting it right now. I'm thinking of a series so that I can talk a lot about this periods. So first, let me give a small introduction about what exactly menstruation is and how it happens. So every female undergoes a certain natural process in every month or every 28 to 30 days where the natural inner linings of the uterus get shredded off as blood and comes out of the body. So that is what periods is, and it is totally natural, and it's not something that you should be disgusted or like you should hate it. Okay, so I have some options that I wanted to talk about. So you must be familiar using a pad, especially my female audience. You must be familiar using a pad or a tampon and or a period cup. So specifically today I'm going to talk about a period cup or a menstrual cup. So yes, so today that is what I wanted to talk. But before that, let me remind you, I'm having a giveaway in my Instagram account. It is live and you can simply check it out and you can win some goodies just by following 2 to 3 simple rules. So do check it out and follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now without further delay, let's get started. Now talking about period cups or menstrual cups, you must be familiar using a pad. So if you don't know what exactly menstrual cup is, I will be talking in details. But before that, let me tell you what are the pros and cons of using a pad. It may be convenient for you to use a pad every day, especially in the menstrual cycle, and it is easy to take it out and throw. That is the only advantage I feel while having using a pad instead of a menstrual cup. But if you don't know that menstrual cup, it has much more benefits than a pad. So the pad is generally made with synthetic dyes. It has bleaches. It is made. It undergoes many chemical treatments in order to make it look like white color pad. And if you are using a gel technology one pad, and then you should be aware of the thing that it can be carcinogenic in a long run, and it can cause cervical cancer and many other complications in your future and further life. So what is the alternative? So there are two different things that you can try. That is, one is tampon, another one is period cup. So I won't recommend tampon because you need to change it within every 4 hours of insertion so that you don't get PSS. And there are many cases in US and other countries where people die of PSS. So I don't find tampons to be ideal also, but it is, yes, it is good for swimmers, it is good for the athletes. But I have a solution that is good for athletes, and it is also good for everyone who wants to use it. That is a menstrual cup. Menstrual cups generally are made up of 100% silicone, that is medical graded silicone, which is way safer than that of a pad or a tampon, and it can be inserted and kept for 8 to 10 hours a day, and then it can be emptied and you can use it again just by washing it with water after that. So it is that easy. So how does period cup look like? So the packet comes like this. This is not a sponsored video, I'm telling again, not a sponsored video. So this comes like this. This is Sirona's menstrual cup. I have 2 suggestions. So this comes in a box like this. Another one is this one. This is Gyno Cup, and this comes in this kind of package. Both of them come in cotton bags because it is required that the cup remains breathable. That is why. So the cup looks something like this. The cups look something like this, and it is you can see. This is, I haven't taken out because it is already sterilized and I got it recently. So this looks like this. It is much more better than that of a pad because it won't give you rashes. It won't give you any kind of allergies or infections. It is really very safe on your body, and One more thing that is not really good about this is if you are not well versed with the folds, then it may cause you some kind of distress whenever you are inserting or removing the cup. But once you are used to this kind of stuff, it will be so much easier for you to go ahead and use it, and you will forget about pads. I'm telling you, you will forget about pads. So what are the things that are needed in order to use a cup? So first of all, you will need a menstrual cup wash. That is to wash it every time you use it. Like if you want to remove it after 10 hours, you just use your cup wash, clean it up with water and then insert it. Second is this cup. Of course, you will need a cup. And third is a sterilizer. Either you can simply boil it in a pan of water for 3 to 4 minutes and then use it after it is sterilized, or you can simply go for something like this. This is Gyno Cup's sterilizing container. I got it because it is portable. They have Sirona and Femicup have the machines that are used for for the sterilization process, but that is way too costly, like 2,000 to 3,000 bucks. So I thought of getting this one. This comes for just 349 rupees. This is the lid of this, and this can be expanded like this. So this is the cup. What you need to do is you just need to put some water and just keep the lid like this, and then just microwave it for like 30 seconds and you are done with the sterilization. This is a microwave friendly cup, so I got this one for myself. Now talking more about cups. Why cups? Because as I said, it is 100% medical graded silicone, so it is much more safer inside your body. Secondly, you won't be getting so many cramps like you used to get in your periods because of the cup. It will be directly collecting the blood from the the cervical end itself. That is why it won't be coming in your vagina, because of which the vaginal contraction and relaxation will be lesser than that of when you are using a pad. So that is the second benefit of using a cup. The third benefit is there will be no period order, because whenever you are using a pad, the blood comes and it stays inside the pad, which already has chemicals which reacts with the blood, and that starts making foul smell. Not only this, whenever the blood sets at a place for about 6 to 7 hours, of course it will start stinking. So this is the third benefit of using a cup, that you won't be having any specific orders during your periods. Now coming to the fourth point, that is using a cup won't give you TSS, that is toxic shock syndrome that you get in general because of the tampons. Whenever you are using it for a long run, even if you are using a pad for a long run, like for about 10 to 12 hours every time, then you may get TSS as well. So this will also prevent you from getting TSS. So that is the fourth benefit. The fifth benefit is that you won't be getting rashes and irritations due to the way you get during a pad. This is because the pads generally get wet whenever there is blood in it, and then there will be bacterial infections which come in contact with the skin surface of our body, which then creates infections and rashes. But with the period cup, there will be no such issues, so it will be much more better, and of course there will be no leakage, and you will be able to sleep much more in a better way, in better position. Now coming to the sizes, there are 3 different kind of sizes to choose from in every place, like in every brand. I got in medium because this is for the people who are around 25 and they haven't given birth vaginally, so this is for them, so I got a medium one. If you are a teenager, you can go for small size, and if you are a person who is of my age, you can go for medium size, and those who have already given birth can go for L size. So that was all about the sizes. Now talking about brands to choose from, you can choose from Sirona, you can choose from Gyno Cup, Femicup, there will be Peesafe, Wow, and there are so many. Namya is also there, so you can choose anything of your choice according to your wish. I got this from Sirona since a long time, I guess 1 year or so. I am using a menstrual cup, so this is how it looks like. This is very flexible. The stem is really very flexible, and it is also very flexible. So I will be telling you how to use this, how to make different kinds of folds in order to use it in a proper way or in an efficient way without getting hurted or without getting any pain of insertion or removal. So that was all. I'll attach the video. So now for this, I will never ever say to try S fold, that is this fold, or the C fold, that is this fold. So these are not a beginner friendly fold or a fold that anyone will like at first. So first you can go for 7 fold, that is this fold. This is the much more easier for penetration. So just make it like this and insert it. Once you insert it up to this, you can simply insert this one. Once you insert this, just push and it will open automatically like this. So the second fold that I want to talk about is double 7 fold, that is 1 and 2. It is also known as the lily fold or the 2-leaf fold. So what you need to do is you just need to insert it in this way so that it won't hurt your urethral gland, and just get it in like this and it's done. It will automatically open. The third one is the labia fold or this fold, diamond fold. You just make it like this. Once you have dropped it like this, insert it like this. So I always prefer using a 7 fold or a 2-leaf fold like this because it is much more easier to use and it is much more convenient for insertion. Now talking about removal, people may say you just pull it like this. It's not easy. So just do one thing. Once it's there, it will be like this. So what you need to do is you need to wiggle like this. Okay, once you wiggle it up to this, like you will be able to see it out of your vagina. You wiggle it little more. Once you have done that, just hold it here, press it like this, hold it here, press it like this, and then pull it off once the seal breaks. Since it will be staying there like in airtight suction, you have to break the seal in order to go ahead. So what you can do is, if it is like this, I am showing it now, wiggle. Once you wiggle it, just pinch it up over here and then done. Once you do this, just pull it off, it will come out. Because once the seal is broken from here, it will be easy for you to pull, or you can simply rotate it like this and get it out. It will be easy for you. So this is the 2-way of insertion, but make sure you are not like tensed while removing the cup. You can either squat or sit on the commode in order to take it out. That's it. So if you want me to make more videos on menstrual cup, then drop down your questions and queries in my comment box. I will try to answer them, and if I can't answer, I'll make another video answering all your doubts about menstrual cup. So that was all to say. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe and stay at home, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, like my Facebook page, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.